Uh, Hello, doctor. Uh, we going to talk about Chrome OS. Okay, we are a group of three. That first Arvin Marcus, second is me itself, Vimal Subramoniam, and third is Nur Rasana binti Hamdad. Okay, let's go. Okay, introduction. What is the Chrome OS mean? Okay, Google has begun in January 1996 as research of project by Large Page and Sergey Brin when they were both PhD students at Stanford University in California. Okay, Google Chrome OS can be called even an Internet OS as it emerged as the first OS that is completely dedicated to the Internet. Okay, the current CEO is Sudhir Pichai. Okay, the next is a definition for the Chrome OS. Okay, Google Chrome Operating System OS is a Linux-based operating system from Google that is designed for web-based application. So it's for internet only and cloud computing that keep some files inside. It store data based on the principle of cloud computing. For example, storing every data in the internet rather than storing in a hard disk. The only software application Google Chrome OS run locally is Google Chrome, as can be most of people use now. Okay, the architecture in preliminary design document, Google describes a three-tier architecture: firmware, web-based and window manager, and system-level software and user-learned service. The second is the firmware. Third is the system level software. Then the fourth one is the window manager. Okay, next is the Chrome OS software architecture. Okay, first the web page website extension. Window manager will be used Chromium. X plus graphic libraries, system libraries, Linux kernel, customized firmware, and also hardware. Okay, next is the comparison of different in OS. I give to Asana to explain more detail.
Next, for the comparison of different OS, the Chrome OS differs from Microsoft Windows in terms of security feature like Sandbox, which is not available in Windows. The feature like Sandbox is only available in Chrome OS. In Mozilla, there is no special hardware designed for its operating system, whereas Chromeboxes and Chromebooks are specially designed hardware for Chrome OS. The next point is even the latest technology, Android lacks the booting speed of Chrome OS. And the last point is Chrome OS utilizes multi-core CPUs and graphics chips to the fullest, which is comparable to the graphics quality of a NVIDIA graphics card in a typical computer. For the next slide is application. The first application is in education sector, which is Chromebooks reduce the need for additional IT staff to support their deployments, requiring approximately 69% less labor to deploy and 92% less labor to support than desktop PCs, laptop PCs, or netbooks. The next application in education sector is Chromebooks, high reliability, increased actual teaching, and educational administration time by reducing the time lost in managing desktop PCs, laptop PCs, or netbooks by 82%. The next is application in tourism sector. The first point is due to Chrome devices, lightweight and mobility, they could be carried anywhere across the globe. From the Google Chrome Store, a huge range of travel applications can be downloaded and can be accessed from anywhere to the globe. The next point is we need not carry the device along with us since everything on the machine is on the cloud, such that they can be accessed even from Chrome devices that are rented in another country. For the next slide, I will pass it to Arvin.
Hello everyone, I'm Arvin. Now I'm present about the advantages of Chrome. First is speed. It is fast and less memory intensive, enabling users to access the web in a few seconds. It uses 1/60th as much hard drive space as Windows 7. We can see the speed of traditional operating system and Google Chrome operating system. The Google Chrome operating system is speed than traditional operating system. So one of the primary advantage of Chrome operating system over Windows and Mac operating system is that it's a lightweight operating system that requires minimal hardware specification to run. In other words, it is both efficient when it comes to utilizing hardware resources. This is other advantages of Google Chrome operating system. Security, appearing as traditional local features, automatic updates, synchronization, and simplicity. I give another advantage, that is straightforward user experience. The user interface of Chrome operating system is simple and clean. It is simpler and cleaner than Mac operating system, and of course, arguably more straightforward than Windows. Remember that this operating system is simply a web client, or in other words, a web browser that runs in a Chromebook. The other advantage is the Google Chrome operating system is designed for average daily productivity. Google has made an interesting argument for Chrome operating system. It believes that majority of computer users spend most of their time in front of their devices accessing the internet. Hence, the operating system is built with web browsing and cloud computing in mind. This is our conclusion that we conduct from the Chrome operating system. The Google Chrome operating system seems to be promising technology in the global market. More people who cannot afford computer will need something cheap. Google Chrome operating system will be a boon to these people. It uses a simple design that makes upgrades in invasive features easier, as I told before that. That's all from us, and thank you. Hope guys you like it and understand. Bye bye.